Okay, so this t-shirt is going to be a monster eyeball t-shirt. I grabbed a purple t-shirt. You could use whatever color you want it, and the vinyl can be whatever colors you want. I grabbed green, white, black, purple, and blue for my eyeballs. You can do whatever you want, make it your own, but it's super fun. This is the file that I created. I used 2 different files and kind of merged them together into this one. You can find this in the description box or on the blog post. I'll have a link to this. So for this t-shirt, I'm making it for my younger daughter. So I don't want it to be much bigger than 10 inches. Over here to make it. Go through and cut all the vinyl. And it started here. I'm not going to worry about mirroring this one. There's no words. Just go ahead and click continue and get cutting. Alright, so we have our first layer here, and I just read an article explaining about layering vinyl. The best way to do it is you just press down for 1 to 3 seconds. So you'll let that cool just for a minute till it's not hot, but it's still warm. And then we'll peel this up and add the other layers. Alright, so I've got my monster here. I cut apart all my circles, trimming the excess, and I've kind of just laid them out randomly on here. And so I'm going to get some parchment paper and lay it over the whole thing to protect the black vinyl as I'm going, and we'll just do another quick 1 to 3 seconds. Okay, so these are ready to peel off. They're still slightly warm to the touch, and they're not perfectly adhered, but like I said, we will do a longer press at the very end to make sure it all adheres. So I have all the little colorful eyes cut out, trimmed up a little bit, and we're just going to add them on. They don't have to be centered. They can just go any which way. Okay, our last layer is our black little eyeballs, and you're just going to want to line up your little cutout with the white cutout like that. And I'm not taking particular care to make them centered or any certain direction. I think it just kind of adds to the effect if it's all just kind of random. Okay, and we'll do our final press. Make sure these are all down. And this time we're going to do 15 seconds. Go ahead and do the back for 15 seconds as well.